Hey everyone, Roland this side. I hope you all are doing well. So let's say the problem of the day.
So the question number is 1846. So basically, so first of all, you can pause and read the question. So what question says it? So we can, okay, first of all, we can rearrange it in any order. The array given is we can rearrange it in any order. Okay, and second of all, we can only decrease its value by one, or I mean by anything. We can decrease its value. First thing is we can rearrange in any order, and second is we can only decrease the value, and third is the first, I mean the first value can equal to 1. Okay, so what was the first thing which we are going to do? Okay, so and we have to do return the maximum elements out of it. Okay, we have to make the maximum element the maximum. Okay, so first of all we have to sort it. Okay, so if we sort it, it goes like something 2 2 2. Okay, and now, so first of all make the, I mean, nums 0 equal to 1. Okay, so first make the first element equal to 1, as explicitly mentioned in the question. The array of first element must be 1, and after that what we are going to do is we can simply just check for every element for I to n minus 1. We can check every element from I equal to, we can start from 1. Okay, to increase it by increase the left by 1 if current was is, I mean current, the difference is greater than 1. Okay, so if array of I minus 1 is greater than 1, so we are going to increase the last by 1. Okay, so for example we have something like 1 2 4 6. So here the difference of previous is more than 1. Okay, so we can increase it by 3. So here difference is more than 1, so increase it, I mean do it by 4. Okay, to decrease it we can only decrease it. So because the question mentioned is the difference between any two consecutive is at max it can become 1, or when it can remain 0. Okay, here as it mentioned in the question. So if we code the same simple approach, it's something, it goes like something. First of all we have to sort it. So sort the arr dot begin comma arr dot end, sorted array that begins and ends. So first of all sort it, and after that convert the first element to 1. And now let's iterate starting from 1 to n for int I equal to 1, I less than array dot size, okay, and I plus plus, hold on, I plus plus, and if we got current element, the difference between current element and previous element, I minus 1 is more than 1. Okay, so difference between two consecutive is more than 1. We are going to, I mean, decrease the, make the, I mean, make the previous one. Okay, we have to make the current one is 1 greater than previous one. Okay, to, I mean, maintain the difference. I minus 1 plus 1. Okay, so that's the value of previous one and increase it by 1. So after that, we are going to simply return the last element, because last is gonna the max array dot back. And now let's submit the code and see if it's working or not. Okay, yeah, it's working perfectly fine. So if we discuss about the time complexity and space complexity of our code, so time complexity gonna become big of, I mean, n log n for the sorting, and space complexity we are not using any extra space. Okay, so I hope you like this video, so please make sure to subscribe to TENZOR and feel free to ask any doubts if you have any comments. Till then, keep smiling and keep coding.